Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious spaghetti with minced beef sauce. It's flavorful, easy to make, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's get started. Today I'm using minced beef, garlic and ginger, green onions, onion, green bell pepper, tomato sauce, paprika, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. First, place a pan on medium heat and add the minced beef. Stir continuously and cook until the beef turns brown. Next, add the chopped onions and stir well. Once the onions soften, add the garlic and ginger. Stir everything together until well combined and fragrant. Now add the sliced green bell pepper and green onions. Mix well and cook for a few minutes. It's time to add our spices. Add paprika, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Stir everything together until the flavors are well combined. Next, pour in the blended tomato sauce and mix thoroughly. Let the sauce simmer and cook until it thickens and the minced beef is fully coated with all the delicious flavors. Allow the sauce to cook until it's rich, flavorful, and perfectly done. Once our minced beef sauce is ready, set it aside and let's prepare the spaghetti. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add a little salt and a drizzle of oil. Add the spaghetti and cook on medium-low heat according to the package instructions, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking together. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain the water and serve it with the delicious minced beef sauce. Mix well, or top the spaghetti with the sauce, and enjoy this tasty meal. Yum! Pasta! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.